Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. I'm doing a trend that's going around lately, and that's tie-dyeing. I've got tops to tie-dye. I've got 7 tops. Didn't realise I'd gone out and bought 7 tops for this video, but hey ho, I'll hopefully have a tops that can wear every day of the week. So, yes, it's going around lately, so I wanted to join in on the craze. I'm gonna do a couple of different variants. So, I've got just plain white that I'm going to use food dye. I think you can use food dye to tie dye. So I've got 2 white ones. One of them is going to be a gift. Hopefully, this video isn't going out before another one that I'm going to do a video for that gift. Complicated, I know. So, yes, food dye for these. This is I've got a black one which I'm gonna use. Actually, these two, burgundy and black, I'm gonna just spray bleach on just to see what it looks like. I thought it might be cool. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these ones. The blue one I am just gonna spray bleach on. These two I don't know. I think I'm gonna spray bleach on them and then put food colouring on, like to lighten it up and then to add a bit of colour. Because I don't think it's gonna be. I don't think the colours are gonna turn out that vibrant. And I read that. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna get on with the bleach ones first, I think. So, don't know how I'm going to do this, so I might have to take you into the kitchen. So, see you there. So, I don't know how well you can see, bit of a dodgy angle. I've managed to get some elastic bands. So, let's move these out of the way. I'm going to do this one first. I'm hoping that the bleach doesn't take out the design, because I thought that was quite cool. So, right, let's just. I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. Yeah, one done. Let's have a crinkled one. Two. Oh, I forgot to wet them. Right, somebody says you need to wet them first, so I'm going to quickly wet them. Okay, it's kind of wet. So I'm just going to scrunch this one up. Yes, that one's done. Another one, right. That would do. Oops. This one I am going to. I don't know. Let's have another spiral. I don't know, a central spiral. So, plastic is down, gloves are on. These are meant to be large. I can't even get my fat hand in it. Oh, wow, that's tight. Yeah, there's no way these are large. Jesus. Wow, I've got a sweat on now. Right, I was going to use the leftover, like when I was dyeing my hair, I was saving the bottles. I was going to use them, but I couldn't get the dye out completely. The bottles to buy are kind of expensive and they wouldn't come until like another 2 months. So I went into Poundland and I got condiment bottles. These are £1, there's 4, it will do the job. So guys, remember, ketchup is got to be bleach. If you ever come to visit, don't use my ketchup. No, that's fine. Oh, I don't know. Right, I'm just gonna, right, let's mix it up first. And then I'm just gonna go in. With this one, I'm really hoping the design stays and it's the colour that just changes. Not the black, I just mean the pink. And then I'm just going to scoop it all up. And I'm actually going to place them in my bath to sit. And I shall see you for the next part. So it's a few hours later now. I've already prepared the white ones. These are the ones I'm going to use food colouring for. I've only got three different colours. I've got pink, I've got red, and I've got yellow. Picked these up at Home Bargains for, I think they're like 59p. So the barbecue sauce can be pink, mustard can be yellow, mayo can be red. But let's start with this one. Don't know what I'm doing really, so I'm just gonna, shall I make this one pink and yellow? I don't know, I'm just gonna go in. Bit there, bit there, bit there. Don't know why I'm touching it because that's not going to come off, is it? Get yellow. Just trying to colour in the bits in the middle. Oh yes, that's pink. Then let's just fill it all in. So how have I got it all the way over there? Right, 2 bags. Pop it in there. And that one in there. And I'm going to leave those for maybe a day or so, and we shall see you in a bit. So it's a few days later now. The tops have been dyed, bleached, dried, and ready. So we have some fantastic ones. Some that I'm going to wear daily, and some that will probably won't even reach the daylight of day, whatever that saying is. So I'm going to do a little try and close haul for you now. I can't wait for you to see some of them. I am impressed. I think I may have to start doing this for like all my clothes. So let's get into the try on. So this is the first one. This is the plain black t-shirt that I've only put the bleach on, and I love it. What do you think? It's very vibrant. I'm just like obsessed with this one. I just want to buy more black ones just to mix it up a bit. I just love it. So, second one. This is the burgundy one with the bleach on. I just love the way it's gone like 2 different shades. It's got kind of like a grey colour and then a yellow colour when the bleach has been sitting longer. I love it. What do you guys think? We are starting off strong. Good job we're starting off strong because it ain't gonna finish strong. So this is the blue one. The bleach isn't that strong on it, but I do like it. But stay with me. It reminds me of winter time when I've been outside in like a hoodie, a black hoodie, and I've got some like road grit on it or like something, and it's dried out and the salt has like stayed in the clothes. Does anyone else like know what I'm thinking? Because yeah, I do like it. It kind of looks like lightning bolts as well. So then we got this one. I am vibing them, but I'm not like vibing this one more than the others because like the first ones I loved. This one's okay. It's just okay. A little bit of a jiggle. This is that one where I think it was a pink t-shirt. I love the fact that the bleach didn't dye the design, but it's just wishy-washy. It's okay. I would wear, ouch, just hit the wall. I would wear it, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I know I mentioned that I was going to add food colouring, but the next two tops, you're going to understand why I stopped at the bleach. So, last two coming up. So, down to the last two. Can you see what went wrong? These are the white t-shirts that are covered in food dye. Specifically, three colours of food dye. The red, the yellow and the pink. Can you see the pretty colours? The red and the pink completely washed out. It's literally just left the yellow, which I'm quite shocked because out of them three colours, I would have thought the yellow would be the one to wash out. It's completely gone. So this one I'm wearing, it's probably the worst one to be honest. This one I'm actually going to gift to a friend of mine, so that's why I'm not trying it on. But I like this one. It's very summer vibes, don't you think? I know it's only got one colour, but I still like it. So yes, they are the t-shirts. So, I've really enjoyed this video. Which top was your favourite one? Comment down below, and let's see if it's my favourite one as well. So yes, that's the end of the video. If you want to suggest other videos for me to try, then comment down below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I shall see you in the next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.